Rebuilding oneself is not merely a task. It's a journey, a metamorphosis of the soul, a revolution within. It requires courage, resilience, and unwavering determination. But let me tell you, my friends, it is a journey worth taking. For in the process of rebuilding ourselves, we discover our true strength, our true potential, and the limitless possibilities that lie within us. Life, my dear friends, is not always kind. It throws challenges at us when we least expect it, tests our resolve, and pushes us to our limits. But it is in these moments of adversity that we have a choice to crumble under the weight of our struggles or rise above them, stronger and more resilient than ever before. Rebuilding oneself begins with a decision to let go of the past, to release ourselves from the shackles of self-doubt and fear, and to embrace the journey of self-discovery with open arms. It is not an easy path to walk, for it requires us to confront our deepest fears and insecurities, to face the demons that have held us back for far too long. But remember, my friends, that within every challenge lies an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become the best version of ourselves. It is in the darkest of moments that we discover our inner light, our inner strength, and the power to overcome even the greatest of obstacles. So, I urge you, my friends, to take that first step, the step towards rebuilding yourself, towards reclaiming your power and your purpose. It may seem daunting at first, but trust in the journey, trust in yourself, and know that you are capable of achieving greatness beyond your wildest dreams. Rebuilding oneself is not a solo journey. It is a collective effort, a journey that we embark upon together, supporting and uplifting one another along the way. So let us stand united, my friends, as we rebuild ourselves, as we rise from the ashes of our past, and as we embrace the limitless potential that lies within each and every one of us. Believe in yourself, my friends, for you are stronger than you know, braver than you think, and more powerful than you could ever imagine. The journey ahead may be long and arduous, but with faith, determination, and a steadfast resolve, there is nothing that we cannot overcome. Rebuilding oneself is a testament to the human spirit, a declaration of our inherent resilience. It is a journey of self-reclamation, where we take back control of our lives and destinies. Each step we take towards rebuilding ourselves is a step towards freedom, towards liberation from the chains that bind us. It is a journey of healing, of stitching together the broken pieces of our souls with love and compassion. Rebuilding oneself requires us to confront our innermost demons, to acknowledge their presence, and to overcome them with grace and courage. It is a journey of self-forgiveness, of letting go of the mistakes of the past and embracing the infinite possibilities of the future. Rebuilding oneself is not about erasing the scars of our past, but wearing them proudly as a symbol of our strength and resilience. It is a journey of self-discovery, of uncovering the hidden depths of our being and embracing every facet of who we are. Rebuilding oneself is a deeply personal journey, but it is also a journey that connects us to others who have walked similar paths. It is a journey of transformation, of shedding our old selves like a snake sheds its skin and emerging anew. Rebuilding oneself requires us to challenge the narratives we have been taught about who we are and what we are capable of. It is a journey of empowerment, of realizing our own worth and stepping into our power with confidence and conviction. Rebuilding oneself is not about perfection but about progress, about striving to be better than we were yesterday. It is a journey of resilience, of bouncing back from setbacks and using them as stepping stones towards our goals. Rebuilding oneself is about embracing vulnerability, about allowing ourselves to be seen and heard in all our rawness and authenticity. It is a journey of self-compassion, of treating ourselves with the same kindness and understanding that we would offer to a dear friend. Rebuilding oneself requires us to cultivate a mindset of growth and possibility, to believe that we are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. It is a journey of gratitude, of recognizing the blessings in our lives and finding joy in the simplest of moments. Rebuilding oneself is about finding meaning and purpose in our struggles, about turning our pain into fuel for our journey forward. It is a journey of acceptance, of embracing all parts of ourselves, the light and the dark, the joy and the sorrow. Rebuilding oneself requires us to let go of the need for external validation and to find validation from within. It is a journey of self-awareness, of peeling back the layers of conditioning and societal expectations to discover our true essence. Rebuilding oneself is about reclaiming our power, our voice, and our agency in a world that often seeks to diminish them. It is a journey of courage, of facing our fears head-on and refusing to let them hold us back. Rebuilding oneself requires us to surround ourselves with people who uplift and support us, who believe in our potential even when we falter. It is a journey of perseverance, of never giving up on ourselves even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. Rebuilding oneself is about embracing the messiness of life and finding beauty in the chaos. It is a journey of self-expression, of allowing ourselves to be seen and heard in all our uniqueness and authenticity. Rebuilding oneself requires us to set boundaries and prioritize self-care, to honor our needs and desires without apology. It is a journey of self-reclamation, of taking back the parts of ourselves that we have lost or given away. Rebuilding oneself is about finding strength in our vulnerabilities and using them as catalysts for growth. It is a journey of self-reflection, of looking inward with curiosity and compassion to uncover the truths that lie beneath the surface. Rebuilding oneself requires us to let go of the need for external validation and to find validation from within. It is a journey of surrender, of releasing our attachment to outcomes and trusting in the wisdom of the universe. Rebuilding oneself is about embracing the full spectrum of human emotions, the joy, the sadness, the anger, the fear, and allowing them to flow through us without judgment. It is a journey of authenticity, of living in alignment with our true selves and speaking our truth without reservation. Rebuilding oneself requires us to let go of the stories we tell ourselves about who we are and what we are capable of. It is a journey of self-discovery, of uncovering our passions, our purpose, and our unique gifts to share with the world. Rebuilding oneself is about finding the courage to rewrite our own narrative, to create a story that reflects our deepest desires and aspirations. It is a journey of self-love, of treating ourselves with the same kindness, compassion, and respect that we would offer to a beloved friend. Rebuilding oneself requires us to confront the limiting beliefs that hold us back and replace them with empowering truths. It is a journey of forgiveness, of releasing ourselves from the burden of past resentments and embracing a future filled with possibility. Rebuilding oneself is about finding the beauty in our imperfections, in our scars, in our flaws, and recognizing them as a testament to our humanity. It is a journey of connection, of forging deep and meaningful relationships with ourselves and with others who share our values and vision. Rebuilding oneself requires us to let go of the need to control every aspect of our lives and instead surrender to the flow of the universe. It is a journey of resilience, of bouncing back from setbacks and using them as opportunities for growth and learning. Rebuilding oneself is about finding strength in vulnerability, in allowing ourselves to be seen and heard in all our rawness and authenticity. It is a journey of self-empowerment, of recognizing our own worth and stepping into our power with confidence and conviction. Rebuilding oneself requires us to cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility, to believe that anything is possible if we are willing to work for it. It is a journey of self-discovery, of uncovering the hidden depths of our being and embracing every facet of who we are. Rebuilding oneself is about reclaiming our power, our voice, and our agency in a world that often seeks to diminish them. Rebuilding oneself requires us to set boundaries and prioritize self-care, to honor our needs and desires without apology. It is a journey of self-reclamation, of taking back the parts of ourselves that we have lost or given away. So let us rebuild ourselves, my friends. Let us embrace the journey of self-discovery, and let us emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. The world awaits our greatness, and together, we shall rise to meet it. Thank you.